Hi, my name is Jordan Shurd. I'm a senior here at Arkansas State University, and today we'll be making a solar panel, or a sort of solar panel. So we're in the shop here in Searcy. It's Thanksgiving break, so we're down here instead. And there's my dad. He's over here helping me do this project. But we have, what we're going to start off with is a 10 by 4 copper sheet, already measured to be cut in 2 equal pieces and clamped down to this table too. So we're going to go ahead and get to cutting, and that is the first process of this. Alright, so we just finished our cutting of the 2 copper plates. Got 2 even size. They're about 5 inches by 4 inches, and they've been cleaned as well to get all the oil off of them. So now we're in the kitchen, and we're going to leave them on the burner. We put on high. You can, there we go. It's glowing red hot already, and we're going to put each copper plate on there for about, geez, that's already hot, for about 30 minutes. So we'll let these sit here and they'll oxidize and turn black as well. So we'll come back in 30 minutes, see how they're doing, and that's about it. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and the copper is now black. But, so that means it oxidized. What we're going to do is just turn off the burner, let it cool down slowly, and by doing that it'll start to break apart, peel a little bit, and then we'll be able to get the chemical reaction later on with the sunlight, the salt water, and the rest of the contraption to make our solar panels. So now the copper has cooled to room temperature, and all the black oxide has kind of come off it a little bit. It's been, where's the camera? There we go. It's been kind of peeling back and falling off a little bit, as you can see, and it leaves just a little bit of the cuprous oxide layer underneath. And so that'll react to the salt and stuff later. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, and I'll check back in with you in a second. So these are new cuprous oxide coated plates. This is after all the black oxide has been taken off of them, not to roughly using any pads or anything like that. Have the alligator clips as well already hooked up to my amp meter just to check it out. And right now it is nighttime, so what we're going to do is just wait till morning, wait till it's bright, get the rest of the rig set up, and we will be ready to go. Alright, so it's the next day of us making this solar panel. It's somewhat bright, as you can see up there. It's not as bright as it could be because it's winter, but it's okay. So I kind of messed up yesterday and had to go get another piece of copper, because apparently there's supposed to be one side that is just plain regular copper, and the other side that has the cuprous oxide coating. So I have everything set up out here. Basically, what I did, is cut a bottle in half, just a regular 2-liter soda bottle, and then clipped the cuprous oxide. You can't see because I can't see. There we go. Cuprous oxide, one to the side of the cup, so they're not touching each other in this warm water, and the other side is just a regular copper plate. Now I would cut that down, but it really isn't going to matter the size of it. It's not really going to change anything. So what we're going to do is put a few tablespoons of salt into the solution, or into the water, excuse me. Just give it a good mix until it's all dissolved. And this is perfect because the sun is finally stinking coming out today. Thought I was gonna have to wait. Alright. Now that it looks like all the salt has dissolved into our somewhat of a solar panel, I'm gonna take these alligator clips from our 8th grader, and we'll clip one on, I believe it is the positive one, onto the regular copper plate, and then the negative one onto the cuprous oxide coating. So we'll go ahead and let these sit for a second, and maybe be able to read this now. No, nothing's come out yet. So we're gonna wait a little bit, let it get some sun, and then come back and look at the reading. All right, so it is another day, as you can see. Just got out of church, nice and fresh for the Lord. But sunny, a little bit sunnier than it was the other day, and we have everything ready as well. I had the wrong voltage tester, so I have an uncle that's an electrician, and went ahead and stole his stuff for a second instead. But as you can see, we have everything nicely set up here. I got the copper over there cooked with a cuprous oxide, I believe is the coating that reacts with the sunlight, and then I went ahead and switched it out for aluminum as well instead of copper on that other side, because apparently if you use a different metal, then it works better than having like copper with copper making a reaction in the salt water. And you can see it's producing 613 volts. Not quite 1 volt, but at least it's doing something. And I believe that is all I have. We made some sort of solar cell using copper, aluminum, and some alligator clips.